troubleshooting lights not working in the refrigerator.
Yeah, the LED lights, either they're on or off. We do not have a door switch on this model to allow to leave the lights on all the time. So you don't have to worry about any door switch here. There's no door switch, nothing down there that you would need to line the panels up with or door up with. So it's either on or off, and there's a switch up here. So it's just an on or off toggle switch. The drawer, you would have two, one for the upper drawer, one in the bottom. Here you just have one strip.
Okay.
So there's a screw on each end. So that's it. Oh man. So there's a little bit of some permagum here just to get to this connector. So you'd have to pull this connector off, just unplug this. I would just pull this plug, which it might be best to probably use this a little, like a plastic tool or something, just to kind of pry it off of there.
LEDs get made.
All right.
So, if you're ever in St. Louis, it's a field trip worth taking. Let us know. We'd love to show you the factory. So it's a good time.
So there's a screw up here. So just two Phillips screws. And then there'll be one on this end as well. And that's it. So here's your LED strip. So mount just on the two ends, and then you have your input connector cable, which is looks like that. So that would just push in there like such. So you'd have to mount the LED, of course, before putting the connector on. But before you mount the LED, it's not a bad idea to plug it in just to see if it works, and then unplug it and mount the LED. So, but yeah, just one strip. This is exactly how you would get it.